Did you enjoy this? Learned asanas because of this. Fantastic. It was highly energetic. A lot of fire was there that we are doing.
So actually our theme is fire, sir. So fire means of fast movements, like so we try to express fast movements and our dress code, sir. We are all like flaming red, sir. So I extremely enjoyed this. In first I had attraction towards yoga, sir. After this festival, I started loving yoga, sir. I will do something else to improve my yoga.
Fantastic, fantastic. See Darsha, very good, very good. So, we are happy that you found this interesting, you have got something new to take, you started loving yoga. That was the idea of this festival. You should start loving yoga much better. Okay.